SunSare sent me this cordless stick vacuum, and I am so excited. Not only does this just weigh 5.5 pounds, it is known for its pet hair removal. So it has just a few pieces, and it came to box so nicely. This is the power bank, and it just slides right on like that. The on and off switch is right here. And I'm going to show you, it actually has 3 different speeds. But before we get into that, here are the parts. There is an extender, a charge cord, and one thing to mention is this, once it's fully charged, lasts almost an hour. Here is the crevice tool, and this I think is going to be what is the magic pet hair removal tool. Here's the main vacuum, and it comes with this little hook where you can get in to these crevices in case you get hairs or anything caught in the roller brush here. It comes with this wall mount, and so the vacuum easily sits up here. You can add the cord, keep it charged at all time, and keep everything off the ground, and then your extra pieces actually fit right in here as well. I love that organization. They actually clip in so they really stay. And it actually also comes with the hardware to hang this on the wall. Last, it does come with an extra filter. Before I get into the demo, here is a close-up look at each of the pieces, including their user guide. I'm going to show you how it works on both carpet and hardwood floors. Before we get going on that demo, I did want to show that you can actually hook this portion into the vacuum if you want to do any vacuuming where you don't need an extension. In addition is this extender pole. So you can just click that button and this will extend. So you have a lot of versatility in the length that you want your vacuum to be. This is the first time I'm using the vacuum, so you can see that this is completely empty and clean. Your on-off switch is right here. And this is where you adjust the settings. So you can see that there are 3 different levels you can choose from. Now, before I show you this, I should preface this with, I do have 2 cats. Oh, and that's how easily this cartridge comes off for cleaning. Here's where the bottom of the filter is, and if I just turn this, this is where that top filter is that they give you that extra replacement for. Okay. I'm actually almost embarrassed. So, okay. The way you would clean this is, oh my gosh, okay. There you go, people. This is officially the best pet hair vacuum I have used. Let me show you some of the attachments. This is the crevice tool. I also love to use this in the corners for cobwebs and things like that. Or on the top of a window ledge, window sill. It is great for that. It is also great for getting in and cleaning in your chairs and couch, just getting in that crevice. And here is the pet hair tool. Again, these all just snap in and out. You can extend it. And let's give this a go. Overall, I think this is a great option if you have limited space. It is so easy to organize it. If you've got pets, this is a no-brainer. If you want to learn more about this SunSare Cordless vacuum, right below this video should be a link to the exact product.